Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm lucky enough to have found myself in the Himalayas again. I spent the last couple of days in Leh working with the Adventurists. If you haven't heard of them, check out the link below. They do some amazingly cool things around the world. But I've got a little bit of free time now, so I thought I'd come for a bit of a motorbike ride up into the Himalayas again. Today I'm heading to a small village, or a couple of small villages west of Leh. Yeah, I'm about probably halfway there. We're gonna keep heading this way, west, and see if we can check out these villages. Alright, so we've come to a bit of a standstill. Probably see that machine up there. He's doing a bit of road work, a bit of road widening. So he's kind of digging out rocks and dirt from up here and pushing them down onto the road. So there's some pretty big rocks coming tumbling down. We wait for all this to be cleared and then we'll be on our way. Alright, so they're starting to clear the road, so hopefully we're on our way soon. There's no mucking around when the road opens. That was maybe 30 seconds. From when they cleared the rocks until now. Everyone's just flying past. And that's the site. Alright, so I'm at the turn off to head up to these little villages. The one I was hoping to get to was Hanulthang. But in a disappointing turn of events, it turns out I have the wrong permission. I did get permission to visit some restricted areas in Leh, but this is not on my form. So I'm going, one second. I'm going to keep heading down towards Kargil. There is another little back road that heads up to them, so I'm going to check if there's a check post there and maybe I can sneak up to the villages. Otherwise I'll head to Kargil and check that out. So yeah, see what happens. One thing that never ceases to amaze me here in the Himalayas is just how quickly the landscapes can change. 5 minutes ago I was riding through sheer rock faces. The road had just been cut straight into the rock. And now I've come up the mountain a little bit and come to a place called Moonland, because, well, check it out. Obviously the erosion over time has caused this landscape, and it's just all what looks like dirt, clay. The river's down the bottom there, but yeah, just totally different to where I was 5 minutes ago. Incredible. I certainly didn't expect to be here today. The Fatula top, 13,479 feet. Not the highest pass I've been over, but it always feels like a bit of an achievement to get up over these. So yeah, I'm about 15 kilometers away from the other road that heads to Hanuthang. So we'll go down there, see if I can make my way up there. If not, I'll probably continue on to Kargil and spend the night there. So been an incredible day of riding so far. The roads are really good. Any bikers out there that want to do some nice, smooth, good tarmac mountain roads, this later Srinagar road is definitely something that you'd enjoy. Alright, so I got to the other turnoff for Hanuthang, and I gave the guy there the permission that I had, and it worked. He said I was right to head up, so good news. We're on the way to Hanuthang. I've just stopped here, so I spotted up on this hill behind me ruins of what I only imagine might be an ancient monastery or something. It's incredible, check it out. Just up there, on top of the hill, built right on top of the rocks, outlined by the sky. Absolutely stunning. Well, I got to Hanuthang, and I must have misunderstood because there was nowhere to stay. There was about 6 houses just down by the river. Looked absolutely stunning, but yeah, I asked around and there was nowhere to stay. While I was doing that, I got talking to a couple of local ladies, and one of them needed a lift home. So of course I said yes. So now I am in Dumka. So I found a guest house here, and now I'm just going to take the lady to her house. It's about maybe 5-10 minutes down the road, so I'm going to do that, go and have some tea with her, and then come back here for dinner and a relaxing night. Yeah, so after a short little ride, we arrived and been served some tea and biscuits, which look absolutely lovely, so I'm going to have those. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm
fine, thank you.
That's good. What is your name?
My name is Inchinda.
Inchinda. My name is Alex.
I have not found milk, so she's bring milk.
Ah, milk. Ah. Awesome. From a cow?
Yeah, cow.
Fresh. Ah, wow.
Goodbye.
Oh.